Hi, thanks for stopping by. I want to show you today how to change the water filter on the Whirlpool refrigerator. Firstly, it's located at the bottom of the refrigerator, right there. Whenever the H2O is bright red, do not use the water. It's time to change the water filter. This happens about every 6 months. So, first thing that I do is put a paper towel at the bottom for any water that may spill during the change of the water filter. Open up the refrigerator or the freezer portion of the refrigerator. Make sure your paper towel is secure. Open that bad boy up and take out the old water filter. Next, you get your new water filter. Remove the purple top. Place it in there, but you have to position it correctly. See how that didn't work? Not like that. Try it again. You see how those lines are lined up? How those arrows are lined up? There you go. Push it in there. Come on, get secure. Bam, there we go. Hold these two down for about 3 seconds. When the H2O no longer lit up, you're good to go. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.